First put the machine, lay it out like this. And then I'm gonna take 2 of these sheets off of it. After the sheet metal was removed, now remove the screws here. Remove this screw. Take this baffle off. There are 4 slots here. Here are 4 screws. Loosen these 4 screws, remove the upper end. After removing the screws, upper blade can be removed. Now disassemble lower blade. When you remove lower blade, you need to take the 5 on either side of here and off. 10 screws in all. After removing it, this part can be taken away. Pull down and then loosen these 2 screws. When we first got down, put it face up and face up like this. Then put it on. After putting it up, put this inside. Load up. There should be 2 holes for the lock. The 3 holes in the lock cutter is locked to the bottom panel. Fasten the screws slightly on first. Do not tighten. When it's all fixed, you can start with the next 3 screws. The bottom 3 screws here first. Adjust the lower knife height after assembling. This height in height with this cut and this feed plate. It's almost a flat height. For the right height, This cut can't be too low or too high. After adjusting the height, tighten.
这4个螺丝收进以后，就固定这个刀固定好。
After locking the 2 screws, lower blade installing is finished. After installing, just take this part and this fix it on the left and right. Put your hands firmly on it and press down and lock this screw. Make sure all the holes are lined just because it's normal. There are only 3 holes, 123. Align these 3 holes. This hole is the one we don't need. It's the part behind the lock. This is the end of the whole knife change. Now that means you do it manually. Want to continue the reverse? Hand feed material and roll it the top screw. Manual rotation. Let's see if we can cut this material. If manual rotation, it cannot cut material. Turn this screw left and right. This 1 screw. Little by little, little by little, little by little. Just say a little tweaking left and right. Tune it until it cuts well. If it doesn't work out for you, contact the factory. Detailed tune at home.